So if you have some leftover chicken and you don't know what to do with it, this is the recipe for you. Now after being into the fridge for a day or two, my chicken doesn't look that appealing. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bring it to life by frying it into the pan and cook it with about 30 grams of butter. Now before I roasted this chicken, I heavily seasoned it. So I'm not gonna go with too much seasoning at this point. All we're gonna go with is a good pinch of salt and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Now I want to cook this for about 10 minutes or until the chicken starts getting a bit of color. So to about 2 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise, or you can use shop bought if you wish. I'm gonna add a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper, and also a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And now let's put this sandwich together. Get 2 thick slices of bread. First goes the mayo. We're following with the chicken, grated cheddar cheese, or you can use mozzarella cheese. And before we get it into the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes, we're gonna go with another layer of mayonnaise on top and also some more cheese. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.